In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts on Trade. If you're someone who actively follows the stock market, setting price alerts can be a game changer. It allows you to stay informed about your investments without having to constantly monitor the market. Let's dive into how you can set this up seamlessly on Trade. First, you'll need to open Power Trade or the Trade app. Log into your account using your credentials. If you have access to Power Trade, that's usually the best choice due to its advanced features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar and look for the stock you're interested in. For example, let's say you're keeping an eye on Apple, so you would type AAPL into the search bar. Now that you have the stocks page open, you'll want to find the alerts menu. Look for a bell icon, which represents alerts. This is where you'll set your price alert. Click on Set Alert to start configuring your notification. This step is essential because it ensures you're in the right place to specify your alert preferences. Next, you'll choose the type of alert you want to set. Trade offers a variety of options. You can set an alert for when the stock price goes above a certain number or when it drops below a specific level. In some setups, you might also have the option to set a percent change alert. This flexibility is important because it lets you tailor alerts to your specific investment strategy. After you've chosen your alert type, it's time to enter your target price. For instance, you might want to be alerted when Tesla stock goes above $250. Alternatively, you might set an alert for Apple to notify you when it drops below $180. Once you've entered the target price, be sure to tap on Save or Add Alert. This will make sure your alert is recorded in the system. Having this information at your fingertips can save you a lot of time and effort. Now, let's talk about how you'll receive these alerts. You can choose from several notification types. You might prefer push notifications directly to your phone. Alternatively, you can opt for email alerts, messages sent to the message center within Trade, or in-app alerts. These options are controlled in your notification settings. It's important to select the method that ensures you won't miss any crucial updates. At this point, you might want to know how to manage or edit your alerts. To do this, simply return to the bell icon. Open Manage Alerts from there. This is where you can edit or delete any existing alerts. Keep in mind, alerts typically expire after about 60 days unless you reactivate them. This little step keeps your notifications up to date, avoiding any outdated information. And there you have it. You've successfully set up price alerts on Trade. By following these instructions, you can keep a close watch on market movements that matter to you. This way, you're always ready to make informed decisions without being glued to your screen. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.